Hi everyone! In this tutorial I will demonstrate how to crochet my Endless Afghan Square. This easy crochet square is worked in joined, turned rounds from the center out. The finished square can be made in any size and even as a full blanket. For this tutorial I'm using my Clover Amour 6mm J crochet hook and 3 colors of Red Heart with Love yarn that was given to me by Yarnspirations. The colors I am using are color A, which is lettuce, the green color, color B, stone, which is the beige, and color C, true blue. I begin my square using a double magic ring, but you can use your preferred starting method for this project. To begin, with green, or color A, create a ring, and work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet into the ring. We're going to repeat that again. Work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, and repeat it again. 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, and repeat one more time. 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Now we're going to close the ring. The double magic ring to close, I pull on the yarn tail. I see which end moves the other 2 strands and pull on the opposite end of the strand that moved. That will close the first string. And then I pull the yarn tail to close the other ring. Now we're going to slip stitch to the first single crochet of the round to join, and you can make that slip stitch tightly because we're not going to be working into it. Chain 1 and turn your work. At the end of round 1, you have 8 single crochet stitches and 4 chain 2 spaces. For the Endless Afghan Square, you're going to be skipping all of the stitches except for the chain spaces. So to begin for round 2, we're going to skip that first single crochet, the one we have the slip stitch to join in. And then we're going to work into the chain 2 space, which is in the corner, and work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. You'll skip the next 2 single crochet stitches, and in the next chain 2 space, we're going to work the same as the last chain 2 space. Work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. We repeat this all the way around. So in every chain 2 space, you work the 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. At the end of the round, you skip the last single crochet and then slip stitch to the first single crochet to join. Now for the square that I'm making, I am going to be finishing off my first color. But if you are making this as a solid square with just the 1 ball of yarn, you don't need to finish off at this point. you would just chain 1 and turn your work. So I'm finishing off color A. And at the end of round 2, I have 12 single crochet stitches and 8 chain 2 spaces. Turn your work. For round 3, I'm going to be using color B, which is the stone color, and we're going to join our single crochet into the first chain 2 space. So we're going to skip the first single crochet. I place the slip knot on my hook, insert the hook into the chain 2 space. Now we yarn over and pull up 1 loop. Yarn over and pull through both the loops, and that creates your first single crochet stitch. Now work chain 2, 1 single crochet into the same chain 2 space. We're going to chain 2 and then skip that single crochet that's beneath it. And in the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. We work this all the way around. We skip all the single crochet stitches and only work into the chain 2 spaces. So work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the next chain 2 space. Chain 2 and skip that single crochet in the corner. And in the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Repeat that for the last 2 corners. And then slip stitch to the first single crochet to join. At the end of the round, you will have 16 single crochet stitches and 12 chain 2 spaces. Turn your work. For round 4, once again we skip that first single crochet, find your first chain 2 space, and work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the chain 2 space. Skip the next single crochet, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the next chain 2 space. Skip the next single crochet and work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the next chain 2 space. We repeat this all the way around, skipping all the single crochet stitches and only working into the chain 2 spaces. So for the next corner, in the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. In the corner chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. And in the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Repeat this 2 more times. And then slip stitch to the first single crochet to join. At the end of round 4, I have 28 single crochet stitches and 16 chain 2 spaces. I'll be changing colors here. So I'm finishing off my color B, which was the stone color. And you can take some time to weave in your ends at this point, or you can leave them as they are. That's up to you. You'll turn your work to begin round 5. And for this project, it's basically a repeat of the last 2 rounds over and over. So round 5 is the same as round 3, except you'll have a couple extra chain 2 spaces to work into. So for round 5, we'll be using color C, which is my blue color. And remember, we skip all of the single crochet stitches and only work into the chain 2 spaces. So in the first chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. In the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Then chain 2 to skip that corner single crochet stitch. And in the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. And in the next chain 2 space, we work the same, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. You repeat this 3 more times. Slip stitch to the first single crochet of the round to join. At the end of round 5, you have 32 single crochet stitches and 20 chain 2 spaces. Turn your work, and round 6 is the same as round 4, but you'll have a few more chain 2 spaces to work with. Remember to skip all the single crochet stitches. And in your first chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. In your next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. In the next chain 2 space, which is the one directly in the corner, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. In the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. And in the next chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Repeat this all the way around, so for the 3 other corners. Slip stitch to the first stitch to join. At the end of round 6, you have 44 single crochet stitches and 24 chain 2 spaces. The square just continues to grow using the same easy 2-round repeat. For the 12 by 12 inch square, continue until you have 16 rounds in total. If you'd like to follow along with the written copy of the pattern, it is available on my website for free, and I'll leave a link in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more free crochet tutorials, and visit umbakadesignCrochet.com for more free crochet patterns. Have a great day.